Here's how I onboard my local marketing clients in the HVAC industry. My main goal is to rank these guys at the top in their city so they can get more clients without spending a dime on paid ads. But before we get into that, we obviously need a plan written down. So the first step for me is to understand the current state of the client's business, what they want to accomplish, and what they've done so far. From there, I'll analyze all their local competitors and craft a long-term plan, not just for their marketing, but also with their operations. I've ran tons of these projects in the past, so all my clients know they're getting value straight from the get-go without having to babysit me. Once we get the campaign up and running, I make sure to look at the data and see where we can improve from there. Whether it's more phone calls or email requests coming in, I'm always checking to see if we're getting the right results and what we can do to take our marketing efforts to the next level. Comment below with what else you'd want to see in your day-to-day operations.